time I was doing piano lessons as a kid, I really didn't enjoy it. I didn't see it as something musical. I thought of it as more of a craft, you know, kind of a skill. My parents got me started and kept me in there as long as they could. But what I was more interested, what music meant more to me in high school, was playing in rock bands. And I did the school band more as a social thing, but that was kind of interesting too, as a craft. But I didn't really discover a passion for music until I started learning about jazz. While I was at Mount A, I played drums in the jazz band, and that was probably my first experience playing jazz. And I wasn't a great drummer, but they needed a drummer, and it got me in, you know, into the band. And so it's the jazz that is my passion, but I've learned to like all styles of music and enjoy playing all styles of music. My parents were somewhat involved in music, a little bit. My mother took some piano lessons. I think she had in her mind that I would learn to play, because she didn't ask me if I wanted to take music lessons. She asked me what instrument I wanted to learn to play. I remember that. And we had a piano, so it seemed natural or logical to choose the piano. So I started piano lessons. I was living in Port Dover, Ontario. I went to Simcoe for piano lessons. I was around 5. Of course, when you're teaching music, you're dealing with all kinds of different styles, and rock bands, and jazz, and classical, and school musicals, so the Broadway kind of thing. So it's almost like my teaching career was an education for me. Now in my retirement, I can kind of benefit from what I learned as a teacher.